Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this clown carnival look in DTI and guarantee a show-stopping win. So this will be perfect for the clown, horror or carnival theme. And if you want to bring the horror and whimsy of the carnival to the runway, you can just follow my steps in here to create this look. Now for the hair, these are the hair that I use for the clown look. So I'm using the bangs from this two updo combined with this another updo in here and also this curly hair. Now let's just make the outfit. So first I'm going to go put on these overalls and change the color to this dark red color, and here's the hex code. I'm going to also put on this hat. First preview, I'm going to use this pattern. The next one is beige color in here. You can also use the pattern again. I'm going to just use the beige color, and then the next one in red. And then I'm going to put on this sleeves first. For the sleeves, I'm going to use this pattern, combine it with red. And I'm going to also put on the top from the men's section, use the same patterns like the hat. Now I'm going to put on this leg warmer, use the same patterns like this. And for the shoe, you can find it later on the dressing room, but first I'm going to put on this pants in here, use the same red color. I'm going to go with the default look. I forgot to put on the gloves, so let's go back first and put on the gloves. So for the gloves in here, you can make it short with that fur and use the same patterns like the hat. Now you can just go straight into the dressing room, and here I'm going to use this top. For the top in here, you can use the same red color combined with the pattern. Like this. And I'm going to put on these items to go it into sleeves only. It's the same patterns like this. Put on these sleeves in here, and I'm going to use the pattern combined with red. Now for the shoe, you can go to the code items and use this boots, this one. I'm going to use first, you can go with the pattern. Next you can go with red, just like I do in here. Go back to the currency item. I'm going to use the ruffle from this skirt to glitz into number 5, remove the chains. Here I'm going to use the pattern combined with some nude and red color, like this. So guys, this will be the final look for Clown Carnival in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.